back here with you with another delivery. Okay, so I got another delivery from Leo Berbee. I will admit, I kind of remembered this a little more than I remembered the tulip one. This is my daffodil order. So, ironically, I literally was, leafing through their new 2026 catalog that they just delivered me this week, because pretty sure they got me pegged. And I'm not kidding you. I was looking at the catalog, I looked up my window, and the UPS person was delivering these boxes. So, keeping in normal fashion, I thought it'd be fun to show you what I ordered. This order is not nearly as big as the tulip order, because I will be honest, so tulips hold a special place in my heart. When I was younger, my mom, who passed away when I was young, she used to plant tulips. I mean, she has a huge spread of tulips in one of our houses, and it was amazing. So it's a really nice memory for me. Daffodils, they're cool. They're average. I've always thought they were just like this very pedestrian, boring thing. Yeah, it's great that they're the first thing that comes up in the spring, but I always thought they were boring until I learned about the double daffodil. That's a little different, and I'm pretty sure that's exactly what I bought. I bought the fancy daffodils that you're not gonna see in your neighbor's next door yard, garden. So that's, the name of my game. I'm trying to find things that you're not gonna find at the grocery store, that you're not gonna plant in your own garden. I'm trying to be unique. So, enough jibber jabber. Let's get into it. We'll start with the big box. Let me move this over here. So, let's see what's in these boxes. And I don't think I mentioned to you last time, Leo Berbee, they are here in Ohio, like mid-Ohio, so about like an hour and a half away from where I am at in Solon. They are a wholesale supplier, so you do have to have a business to order from them. So that's kind of fun. And I noticed on the order receipt after it got shipped, these are retail ready boxes. I don't know why I bought the retail ready boxes. Maybe I was thinking about it for my farm stand. But these are like retail ready. Like I could sell these at my store, which I don't have a store yet. I know. Okay, so let's start. I didn't get very many. They have a big deer resistant thing. Yeah, we'll see. They're called double narcissus. So narcissus is your daffodil scientific name, I would say. And this one's called replete or replete. Anyways, so this is a retail ready box. I think there's little bags inside of it. Oh, you can open it. Let's do that. I think you can open it here. Oh yeah, look at this. And it's got the growing information on it. Oh. And then there's just the bulbs. Oh, interesting. I kind of love that. Oh, it makes me want to have my farm stand right now. Look at how cute that is. You just pick your little bulb out. That's kind of fun. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to plant them in my backyard. I probably paid more for this style than the other style, but whatever. So it's saying that white petals, pink, orange, and white double cup. I'll show you a picture, obviously. But look at how big these bulbs are. That's great. So these like half shade, great. You want to plant them in September through November. It's mid-October, so right on time. 6 inches deep, 6 inches wide. They bloom mid-spring. They're gonna get 16 inches tall, do not eat, and they make a good cut flower. Look at how cute this is. Oh, I love it. Oh, man. Leo Berbee knows what's up. Making me want to have a little store. That's because I've had too much time on my hands. That's all I've been thinking about lately. All right, so that's the first one. Second one, ooh, I got another crate. Crates are the best. Okay, this one is a double. It's called Kiwi Sunset. And again, it comes in this cute little box. It can go like this. Not that I'm going to, but Kiwi Sunset is half shade, same instructions as the last one, but it says it's a yellow, orange, and red. I'll show you the picture too. Okay, I'm pretty sure there's 100 in these boxes. I'm not 100% positive, but oh, these are huge. Look at how big that is. I guess it's probably because they're a double. Let me close this. All right, so this is a double. It's mostly yellow. It's got some orange, little fluffy double petals. Uh-oh, this isn't closing. And looks kind of pretty. All right, so there's the second one. Get rid of my crate. And I am acquiring lots of crates. And then there's this box. So I only think I bought 3 or 4 of them because, so that's 100 each in the box. Let's see. All right. Yeah, there's just one more. So I exercised some restraint. My husband Matt would be so proud. All right, and then there's Peach Swirl. This is Peach Swirl. Again, I'll put the picture up. This has a white base with a peachy yellow. This is reminding me of what I bought in tulips because I went with the peach theme. So if you look, I have Peach Swirl, white with a peachy yellow double petal. Then I have Kiwi Sunset, which is yellow with an orange. And then I have Replete, I don't know. White with a really pretty peach orange. So that's the daffodils I bought. I only bought 300. Good job. And I gotta get to planting them now. So I have to fill some more raised beds and find a location for these. I am not putting them in the front yard because we have so many deer. I know it says they're deer resistant, but I don't necessarily believe that. These deer are hungry because we've built houses on all of their land. Anyways, just thought it'd be fun to make a quick video, show you what I got from Leo Berbee again. I will link them below. If you have a business account, you can order from them. I am gonna have the prettiest backyard in Solon. I have 900 tulips, and now I have 300 daffodils. So we're looking at 1,200. Okay then, let's go. Time to get to work. All right, thanks for hanging out with me in this quick video. I hope you're having an amazing day. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube videos because I'm gonna keep making these and it's gonna be fun. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.